Hi, I'm PR Smith, author and founder of SOSTAC Planning, and I'm looking forward to delivering a one-day SOSTAC digital marketing masterclass with Nexus in Cairo very soon. We'll be using AI-enabled SOSTAC plans to grow your business. Now, SOSTAC's planning method is now used across the world by successful businesses. The Chartered Institute of Marketing recently voted in the top 3 business models in the world, and it's used across the world. And in fact, every British university refers to SOSTAC now. But businesses in particular love it because, firstly, SOSTAC planning method is so simple. And secondly, it helps you to boost your results, grow your business, make better decisions, and ask great questions. It helps people create a stronger strategy by considering all 9 key strategic components. We then go on to tactical stuff, using the magic marketing formula, integrating and leveraging your tactics, avoiding costly mistakes, alerting you to the pros and cons of AI, and all of this wrapped up in a SOSTAC plan, which delivers a reassuring sense of order in a rather chaotic digital world right now. So you can learn how to write the perfect plan. You can learn that in 3 minutes and perfect it in a day or two. In fact, those of you that want to can become a SOSTAC Elite SOSTAC Certified Planner. We'll tell you about that later on. So for now, I look forward to seeing you in Cairo for a dynamic day that will change your business career.